Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are unboxing FancyPants Design's new Bloom collection. This is part of the 4 new releases or currently releases that they have in their shop. I am part of the design team, so I was sent these items to play with and show you how I use them in my memory keeping. We will do the unboxing video first and upload it, and then shortly after I will have my first project using this kit. Now, so far with FancyPants, I think I've always been doing, as I look around, 12 by 12, which is obviously completely fine. But I'm wondering if I want to change it up, and I'm trying to decide, like, do I want to do a mini album? This collection really is very pretty. Like a mini album, do I want to do maybe 6 by 8, which is also one of my favorites, or I just want to do a traveler's notebook size? I don't know. But let's start off with the papers, and that way you can kind of get an overview for the colors and the gorgeous illustrations that are in this kit, because this one out of the 4 is my favorite. Next month I'll be playing with, it's called Just Beachy, I think, or Beachy Boardwalk. I think it's Beachy Boardwalk, something with boardwalk. And it's a summer collection that obviously has a beach theme to it, and you know I'm a Florida girl, so that collection appeals to me too. But this one, you know me in a good floral. So overall, you can see the design opening card has these patterns. And it's a bright, colorful pattern. It's not primary colors. It's like pastel-y and warm. Definitely got a tropical vibe going on. So here we are with page number 1. Love. And here's the back side. Also very lovely. Here we are, page number 2. Love. Stunning. And a mixed media purpley pink vibe. Love. Gorgeous. If you know me, like, this is... I would frame this. I would frame this. This is beautiful. Love this, like a mosaic kind of painterly brush mark. Very cute with either, I think they're peaches. They're peaches or oranges. They could be either. This one reminds me more orange, but then this kind of reminds me more peach. Either way, very fun and floral, and a nice like aqua and emerald green kind of background. Here we are with the repeating strawberry. Very painterly vibe. I really like this. Love this mixed media too. Very watercolor wave ripple. Love. And I love this too. Love the colors. I love that it looks very overall like it's a watercolor vibe. Like the illustrations are watercolor. So cute. And then here is the 12 by 12 sticker page that comes in the design kit or the collector's kit. Cardstock stickers. So we got tiny word stickers, some journaling bits, frames, tags, some icons to use, a bunch of layering pieces. So this, like I said, very nice collection for me. Here are the enamel dots in the colorway. We have the 53 piece ephemera pack. So here, let's see if we can see it. So we have a few tags, journaling area, a frame. Looks like a fold together envelope, and then the floral icons and all the flourishes, tiny word strips, some labels, some tabs. Very fun. Then we have a sticker book. I haven't seen this in a collection. Usually it's 2 packs of ephemera. So the sticker book, it's individual pages. We have the icons, and they look to just be on white paper. So icons, we have a few alphas, 1, 2, 3, like 4 different types of alphas, a few tabs. These seem to be the same though as here. Yeah, so that's repeated. There are the tabs. So these repeat a bit. More icons. Ooh, some title pieces. They are on a white outline, as you can see. Very cute penmanship. And then more tags and layering pieces. So that's interesting to have a sticker book. And then finally, the foam stickers. So I love the title pieces. They look like this as well. Yeah, so it's the same icons as this, just bigger and on foam with the icons with it. And then the back side, beauties, happily, thankful, darling, sweetie, sweetie pie. We have life, wild, my love, kindness, one little one. Very cute. So, yeah. Yes, I love this one. I love it. Okay, so this will be the unboxing video. Stay tuned for a project coming up shortly using this collection in my first project. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, bye.